anyone can be a physical therapist, anyone can be a doctor, anyone can, be a coach or whatever, but I think what's most important with that calling is your heart behind it.
The heart of what we're learning is that these are people professions. And so we are engaging with other folks, and we need to know how to do that well. And so through not only our holistic liberal arts kind of foundation that we also have our faith integration aspect. So we can put all of those things together with our exercise science content and say, hey, we are the most prepared to help these people in whatever form that is, because we have so many different majors and career outputs in this degree. But that's really the goal, I think, is that we are to serve people and to serve them well.
Having a good foundation of the information and all the things that we're learning, better equips us to be the people that we're meant to be. And as we go and serve, with the knowledge that we have, I feel better instilled with that to be able to go and be able to teach, to be able to help and care for people in my profession. Being in this environment of OBU and how I've been able to see other people serve, and that's not even just within this program, being able to see the people who are actually going out their way to be able to do things for other people, to see the culture that we've been able to build all throughout campus and not just in this program has allowed me to be okay, my goal is to be there for others.
If a student's interested in exercise science, I think that they should look forward to building relationships with their faculty, really getting to know them on a deeper level, because we truly care. We really want you to be successful, and if that means more office hours, more visits, more time after class, we're going to figure it out, and we're going to make sure that you are moving along the path that you need to for your chosen career.
I came in not knowing a lot, not knowing what I was going to do, how I'm going to do it, but as time went on and I really put my head down and did the work, I was able to be more prepared than I could ever think I would. One of the things that we are able to do is have that faith integration in everything that we do. So we can better shape our futures by having a foundation of Christ. And with having that foundation, it allows us to serve, it allows us to be there for those people so that we can really not only have the best future for ourselves, but be able to allow people to grow in theirs too. So, yeah.